Hello guys, how to enable or disable automatic drivers installation with Windows Update in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Sometimes it happens that you download and install Windows Update and along with Windows Update drivers will automatically download it. So if you want to enable or disable this feature, there are two methods to enable or disable optional updates. First one is go to settings of your system. From the left side go to system settings and thereafter go to right side, scroll down and look for about settings. Tap on about. Here scroll down and click on advanced system settings and a new window will open. System properties. Here from the top menu bar go to hardware and thereafter device installation settings. Click on device installation settings and a new window will pop up. Device installation setting. Do you want to automatically download manufacturers apps and custom icons available for your devices? If you want to enable this feature, click on yes, recommended. And if you don't want to install drivers along with Windows Update, then click on no. Your device might not work as expected, so choose yes always. And finally choose save changes. Now your drivers installation will automatically be downloaded or not. Settings. The second method is right click on the start button, choose run command box. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run command windows and here type gpedit.msc to open local group policy editor in your system. Click on OK and local group policy editor window will open. Here from the left side there are two windows under computer configuration and user configuration. So go to computer configuration and expand administrative templates and thereafter expand Windows components and here scroll down and you will find the option Windows Update. Windows Update. Expand this feature. Expand Windows Update and click on updates offered from Windows Updates. Click on it. Thereafter go to right side and here do not include drivers with Windows Update. Apply a double click on it to this feature and here if you want to disable this feature, click on enable, and if you want to enable this feature, click on disable. After enabling, you can download your optional updates with Windows Update. Otherwise, you may not able to download